Imagine telling an AI just one instruction, and it builds a complete website, researches a detailed report, or even finds the best jobs for you, all on its own. Honestly, this part is important, and I didn't fully get it at first. But after using it, I feel this platform can literally replace most of the tools I pay for. Instead of using separate tools for writing, video editing, research, or even office work, this one platform does it all for me. It understands audio and video, generates content, helps with documents, and even automates tasks across different workflows. So realistically, you could cancel a lot of your other subscriptions, like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion, or even Canva, because this covers pretty much everything. This is Minimax Agent. Unlike traditional AI that only answers questions, this AI actually does the work for you, handling tasks across your computer, browser, and the web. In this video, we'll explore real examples of how it automates complex workflows and completes tasks completely on its own.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
Minimax Agent stands apart from traditional AI tools because it is built around workflows instead of simple prompts. Most AI platforms are designed to respond to individual queries, which means every task starts from scratch and you have to guide the AI step by step, doing most of the work manually yourself. In contrast, Minimax Agent is designed to take a goal and turn it into a complete process. It can plan steps, select the right tools, execute actions, and even improve its own workflows over time. So instead of constantly prompting, you simply give it one instruction and it handles the entire process on its own. Whether it is working on your computer, browsing the web, or interacting with different websites, it can perform tasks exactly the way you describe. This shift from isolated responses to continuous execution is what makes it feel less like a chatbot and more like a real working assistant on your computer. Now let's get started. First, we log in to Minimax Agent. Once logged in, you will see an interface like this. From here, the first step is to download the app. It supports multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Since we're using a Windows laptop, we'll download the Windows version. While it is downloading, let's take a look at the website content. If we go to the website, you will find something called Maxclaw. Maxclaw is one of the more advanced components of Minimax Agent, extending its capabilities beyond single-session interactions. With Maxclaw, the agent can operate in the background, handle long-running workflows, and even be accessed remotely through mobile apps or messaging platforms. This means tasks no longer need to be triggered manually each time. It also seamlessly integrates with popular cloud-deployed systems, allowing you to start with a single click and power your own personalized 24/7 AI assistant. We'll explore this feature in more detail later in the video. Once the app is downloaded and installed, you will see a similar interface on your desktop. Now it is time to test it with a real-world example. Before we start, you have the option to add skills. In the Skills section, you will find a variety of specialized options designed to handle specific tasks more efficiently. Selecting them can improve performance for particular workflows. However, for this first test, we will not select any skills because we want to observe the agent's true capabilities and see whether it can adapt entirely on its own. Here is the task. We will assign it the role of a professional web developer. The goal is to build a fully functional website portfolio for a video editor. The website should include a Hero section with an introduction, a portfolio and gallery section, a services section, testimonials, and a clean homepage layout. After building the website, the agent should automatically review and debug the code, optimize performance and responsiveness, improve design elements such as colors, spacing, and layout, and suggest as well as apply enhancements. It should also iteratively improve the project, similar to a real developer workflow, and clearly show each improvement step. Once the prompt is ready, we select the model. There are options like Air Mode, which provides fast responses for simple tasks, and Max Mode, which offers more advanced intelligence for complex, professional tasks. For this case, we will choose Auto mode so the system can automatically assign the most suitable model. Then we hit Start. And just like that, the AI begins working. It first analyzes the prompt, then creates structured documents for the website, and proceeds to build the complete portfolio step by step. On the left side, you can follow the execution process in real time, while on the right side, you can watch the code generation and file creation happening live. Every part of the process is fully visible as it unfolds. Once the task is complete, the full portfolio website is generated. If you check the Files section, you will see that all files are saved locally on your computer. To preview the website, simply go to the completed process, open it in a new tab, and launch the link. Instantly, your website opens in the browser. And just like that, a complete professional portfolio website for a video editor. The design is clean and polished, with smooth, subtle animations as you scroll. In the Projects section, hovering over items reveals interactive effects that genuinely enhance the user experience. All of this created automatically, without writing a single line of code. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. Up until this point, most AI tools are capable of handling this kind of task, so nothing here feels dramatically different at first glance. But the real difference shows up when it comes to editing. With traditional AI tools, if you want to make changes, you usually have to rewrite the entire prompt, and often the AI gets confused or hallucinates, not clearly understanding what exactly needs to be changed. Here, the process is far more precise. You simply go to the Select option, enable the Prompt step, which works like a VIP edit mode, and directly select any specific part of the website. For example, if we want to change the name of the portfolio, we just select that text, type an instruction like, change this to Guru Tech, and the agent immediately starts updating the code for that exact change. Once complete, the name is updated, without affecting anything else. Interestingly, along with the name change, you might notice that certain design elements like button colors or headers also adapt automatically. For example, if the original theme was red, it may shift to green to match the new branding. If you do not like that change, you can simply select those elements and prompt it again to revert or adjust. This level of control lets you modify anything on the website: animations, transparency, layout, styling, by targeting only that specific part. It removes the frustration of rewriting entire prompts and gives you a much more intuitive, precise editing experience. So, what do you think about this web development use case? Let me know in the comments. And now let's move on to the second use case. For the second example, we provide a prompt to create a professional business report on the electric vehicle market. The report should include a market overview, key competitors, growth trends, and future predictions, all structured in a formal tone. Before starting, we head to the Skills section and add a report-related skill to improve the output quality. Once confirmed, we return to the main dashboard and start the process. The agent begins by researching the topic, collecting relevant data, and organizing everything into a structured format. After a short while, the report is completed and automatically saved. If you check the output, you will find a detailed report stored in Markdown format, containing comprehensive insights about the electric vehicle market, covering all the required sections with a substantial amount of useful information. And if needed, you can also request the output in different formats, such as PDF or PPT, depending on how you want to use or share it. Now for the third use case, which focuses on web-based research. The prompt here is to analyze a CV and find the best remote video editing jobs that match the user's skills, then rank the top 5 based on beginner friendliness, required skills, and earning potential. After writing the prompt, we attach the CV and start the process. Normally, doing this manually would take hours or even days, as you would need to browse multiple job platforms, compare listings, and evaluate which ones actually fit your profile. But with Minimax Agent, the entire process is automated. It analyzes the CV, searches across different freelance and job websites, matches the skills with relevant opportunities, and compiles the results. Once completed, it presents a ranked list of jobs, complete with ratings, detailed explanations, and the reasoning behind each ranking. It also provides additional recommendations, making it much easier to decide where to focus your efforts. You are not just getting results, you are getting the reasoning behind those results, which makes the entire process far more reliable and genuinely useful. So what do you think about an AI that can perform tasks completely on its own? You simply give it a prompt, and whether it involves building a website, working inside your browser, or handling tasks on your computer, it takes over the entire process and completes everything independently, without requiring constant manual input. Now let's talk about Maxclaw. Currently, Maxclaw is only available in the web version of Minimax Agent. If you navigate to Maxclaw, you will see the Minimax Agent's interface. So what exactly is it? Simply put, Maxclaw allows Minimax Agent to integrate seamlessly with popular cloud-deployed expert systems, letting you start with a single click and power your own 24/7 AI system. It's an AI that stays active around the clock, dedicated to your designated tasks.
The real beauty of Maxclaw is that you do not need to start the agent every single time. You configure it once and it remains active 24/7, handling tasks, responding as an assistant, chatting, and more. Configuration is simple and flexible. You can set it up for different purposes, such as curated image generation, professional visual content creation, topic tracking, or any other workflow you need. For this demonstration, we will select the default setup. You can also connect the Minimax coding plan to Maxclaw by enabling it, which allows the agent to use coding workflows automatically. Once configured, you click I'm ready, and your Maxclaw system is live. From there, you can interact with Maxclaw directly through the web interface, no additional setup required. You can chat with it, define tasks, or connect it to your favorite apps. For example, you can ask Maxclaw to sync with Telegram or Slack to extend your experience across platforms. Once connected, the possibilities are truly endless, from scheduling cron jobs to building complex automations using Minimax 2.7. Everything can be automated. Let's take Telegram as a quick example. If you want Maxclaw to handle tasks on Telegram, you simply write a prompt like, "I want to connect to Telegram." The agent will guide you through creating a Telegram bot, configuring the bot token, and pasting it into Maxclaw. Once the token is verified, Maxclaw and Telegram are fully synced. From that point on, Maxclaw can perform tasks automatically on Telegram 24/7, handling replies, notifications, or any task you define. The process is fully automated, incredibly simple, and very easy to manage. This makes Maxclaw an extremely powerful tool for cross-platform automation, keeping your AI active, productive, and working for you at all times. I will drop the link to this tool in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I will see you in the next one.